Hello and welcome to our Android Studio Productivity series. I'm Norman from Future Studio University here, and in this video we're going to talk about a feature which not many will believe when you describe it to them. A couple of years ago Google had an April Fool's joke which was showing how you can use double cursors or two cursors at the same time in their Chrome browser. And this is essentially what we will use in this video. Alright, I think I teased enough, let's jump into it. When is this useful? This is useful when you want to edit multiple places at once. And this is always occurring when you have the same text multiple times. So for example, down here, we have this Android R color 5 times. So what you can do is you can use Control G or Alt J on Windows and just hit it a bunch of times, and you will see that it selects the next occurrence. And now on the left side, you can see I actually have 5 cursors. And when I move around, it will actually move them around with me. So I could, for example, delete the Android at the beginning. Now my reference will be bad back here, but we can use this to edit multiple places at once. So if you say, oh, I don't want the color, I want an integer value, or I want an ID value. Now in this little switch case, it doesn't really make sense. So let me give you an example which maybe you will notice more from real life. So up here we have 3 numbers, and if you would have to switch them to double numbers, which might happen sometimes, you would have to type double, and then what I usually do is, well, I have to copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Now with 3, that's still doable, but what if you have like 20 items you want to switch? That gets kind of annoying. And so instead, again, use Control G to just select all 3 of them. And if you don't have a typo in it, you switch them all at once, easy peasy. Now I can also move them around. For example, if I do move at the end of the line, I could also add a 0 to all of them at the same time. And I can go, let's say, at the beginning and change the notation to Hungarian style. Again, there's a lot you can do with multiple cursors at once, especially useful in view files. So no, I know you shouldn't have, but sometimes it happens that you have the same line 3 times. So for example, here you have the margin tab 3 times set to 16 density pixels. Now I want to add the 16 I want to change the 16 density pixels to 8. Now I could go in and edit it every time, but again, what you can do is Control G, just select all 3 and simply do 8, don't click enter, and you're done. So this multiple cursors takes a while to get used to, and you might not recognize it every time you could or should use this feature. But whenever you edit something and then you edit again and again, like whenever you do manual work or you think like this is kind of annoying to me, think if you can use the multiple or the multi-cursor feature. Once you get used to it, it really can be a life changer. If you didn't know about the multi-cursor feature yet and you're going to go to impress your colleagues now, before you do that, drop a like on this video so we know if we should continue the series, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Enjoy coding and make it rock.